Hello everybody, good morning. Welcome to day 2 of the 21-day mindfulness challenge. I'm Christina Kashyap, and this 21-day meditation challenge is on being calm, present, and resilient. So today we're going to start off with some deep breathing. So let's take a nice deep breath into the belly for a count of 5. So breathe in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and hold. And exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now a deep breath in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. And exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And again inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. And exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now allow your breath to continue to remain deep, filling out both your chest and your belly. And at the same time, allow it to just be very natural. Deep breathing is actually our natural state when we're relaxed. So by becoming present and conscious of the breath, we bring back in that natural state of deep breathing which relaxes us, and the relaxation which allows us to breathe deeper. Now, as we allow this breath to nourish our body, we take a moment to allow all the tension to leave our body. Starting with the entire body first, feel like your body, as you inhale and exhale, is just letting all of its weight and tension into the chair or into the place where you're sitting. Allow all the stress to leave as you exhale and melt down towards the floor. And now allow each part of your body, as you inhale and exhale, allow each part of your body to release the tension it might be holding. So starting first with your feet. On your exhale, allow your feet to relax. Moving up to your ankles on the exhale, allowing your ankles to let go. Then moving up to your calves and shins, and then your knees, and now allowing your thighs, the front and back, all the muscles to relax and release towards the chair or the floor where you're sitting. And on the next exhale, allow your hips, your glutes, your pelvic area to relax and release. And now allowing your lower back, your lower abdomen to relax and release any tension. And next, your mid-back, your stomach, your lower rib area, your diaphragm, Allow all of that to release and relax. And on the next exhale, allowing your chest, your lung and heart area, your upper back to relax and release. And on your next exhale, allow your left shoulder to relax. And then on the next exhale, your right shoulder to relax. And take in a nice deep breath and allow both of your shoulders to relax once again together. Also letting go of the tension in your upper back one more time, where you have your trapped muscles. And now on the exhale, allowing your right arm to release and relax. Allowing your right hand to let go of any tension. And on the next exhale, allowing your left arm to release and to relax. And then your left hand. And on your next exhale, release all the tension from your neck. This may take a few breaths, releasing any stress and tension from the sides, the back, the front. And on your next exhale, allow your scalp, your hair area, your skull area to relax. And on the next exhale, allow your face to relax. You can release your eyes, your ears, your mouth, your cheeks. And just allow yourself to let all the tension go. You're releasing the tension, and yet your mind is at attention because you're focused consciously on these relaxations, these muscle groups. And now on the next breath, take a moment and just scan your entire body and see if there's anywhere remaining that's still holding tension, or any pain or discomfort, or any place that feels like it has low energy. And take your awareness to that place that needs your attention right now. And allow yourself just to feel what's moving in that place in your body. And allow yourself to also release it consciously one more time. And ask that part of your body if it needs something from you in this moment. Maybe it needs peace. Maybe it needs just to be felt. Just listen in. And notice if it feels any different now that you consciously, mindfully paid attention to what you were feeling and then released it. And now we're going to focus our mind on the centering thought mantra for today, which is I am calm. So take in a nice deep breath, and as you take in your deep breaths in the next couple of minutes, On each inhalation, take in this thought, I am calm. And as you exhale, release anything that is not calm. Just allow it to melt away. I am calm. Allow yourself to feel this calmness throughout your entire physical body, in your energy, and in your mind. Continue to breathe naturally and deeply as you hold this thought. And now, take this thought with you as you begin to become aware of your surroundings again. And think of the ways that you can take this thought, this mantra into your day. And when moments come that might be jolting or stressful, you can return to your breath, and you can return to this thought and remember this feeling that I am calm, and I bring that calmness into everything I do today. So thank you and have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow.